friends, in this video I'm going to tell you how you can apply a lens flare into your photograph using Canva. Right now, as you can see, we are into Canva, and here we have just selected a blank image template. Now here we are going to add an image from the elements, right? So I'm into the elements, and here I'm just searching for a landscape night image, right? You can also upload your image, right? So we are into images. Let's go to the photos, and here whatever the photo you like the most, you can simply select that particular photo, right? For example, I have selected this one. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on triple dot and then set image as background, and now again I am into the elements, and here I'm going to search for lens flare. Okay, we are into lens flare. There are lots of graphics available of lens flare, and you can simply choose whatever the graphic you like the most, right? Let us search for a good lens flare graphic, because basically it's of quite bright color, so easily you would not understand which one is nicer for you, right? So let us go with this one, right? You can increase or decrease the size, and you can simply rotate it as per your requirement, and you can set it over wherever you want. You can also search for some good lens flare, right? Because it's too much, you can reduce it, right? So in this way, you can simply apply a lens flare effect to your image using Canva. I hope you liked this video. Hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel to watch more videos like this. Thank you.
If you want to learn digital marketing for free, then subscribe Digital Bikana YouTube channel right now.